Welcome to our channel. Today we how to disable PayPal smart payment buttons on your checkout. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. To disable PayPal smart payment buttons on your checkout, start by logging into your PayPal business account. Once logged in, navigate to the dashboard. Locate the account settings option, usually found in the upper right corner. Click on account settings to access your account preferences. Next, look for the website payments section in the left-hand menu. Under website payments, click on PayPal buttons. You will see a list of your existing PayPal buttons. Find the button you want to modify and click on its name. This will take you to the button configuration page. Scroll down to the Advanced Variables section. Here, you will see an option labeled Disable Smart Payment Buttons. Check the box next to this option to disable the buttons. After making changes, scroll to the bottom of the page. Click the Save Changes button to apply your settings. Your PayPal smart payment buttons will now be disabled at checkout. To verify, navigate to your checkout page and refresh it. You should no longer see the smart payment buttons displayed. That's it. You have successfully disabled PayPal smart payment buttons on your checkout. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.